Every day, the team faced the same bottleneck, manually collecting leads from Sales Navigator and logging them into spreadsheets. It was slow, repetitive, and full of errors. The pressure was rising, and so was the team's frustration. But what if the entire process could run itself while they slept? Step 1. Schedule trigger. It all starts with a schedule. This workflow is set to trigger once every day, at exactly midnight. No manual kickoff needed, it runs like clockwork. Step 2. Read Google Sheet. Next, we read data from a Google Sheet named Sales Navigator Search URL. This sheet contains key details like search URLs and session cookies needed for Phantom Buster. Step 3. If condition, before proceeding, we check if all the required fields are present. The search URL, session cookies, and status must all exist, and the status must be marked as pending. Only then do we continue. Step 4. Initial wait, a short wait of 1 second is added here. This helps stagger the requests and ensure smoother processing downstream. Step 5. HTTP request to launch Phantom Buster. Now, the workflow sends a post request to Phantom Buster's API, launching the specific agent we need. The API key is sent securely in the request headers. Step 6. Wait for execution. We wait for 90 seconds to give Phantom Buster time to execute the task and gather the data. Step 7. Retrieve Phantom Buster output. After the wait, we retrieve the output of the Phantom Buster agent. The container ID from the launch is used to fetch the exact result we need. Step 8. Append results to sheet. The extracted data is then appended to another sheet called Sales Navigator_dump. Each result is neatly mapped into specific columns like status and manual counter. Step 9. Update source sheet. Finally, we go back and update the original Google Sheet, marking the processed URL as complete. This prevents duplicates and keeps the system organized. In just one night, what used to take hours now happens automatically. No errors, no missed leads, no stress, and it all runs on one smart workflow, quietly, powerfully, behind the scenes. Follow for more.